Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the incredible Sony A7 IV full-frame mirrorless camera kit. This flagship camera is designed to elevate your creative visions with groundbreaking performance. Sporting a 33MP XMIR sensor and the powerful Bionz XR processor, it delivers true-to-life resolution and remarkable AI-powered autofocus. The camera's 5-axis in-body image stabilization and active mode for handheld movies ensures steady shots, complemented by the absence of a 29 minutes and 59 seconds continuous recording limit for movie shooting. With a versatile 28-70mm f3.5-5.6 OSS lens and an additional FE 50mm f1.8 lens in the bundle, you're equipped for diverse shooting scenarios. The 4K 60p video capability with 10-bit 4:2:2 and real-time IF for humans, animals, and birds in both photos and movies open up a world of possibilities. The advanced movie features such as focus map, breathing compensation, and AF assist enhance your filmmaking capabilities. The camera's autofocus is truly impressive, boasting 759 phase detection AF points with 94% coverage. Dual card slots, compatible with UHS-2 SD and CF Express Type A, offer flexibility for storage options. The Sigma graphite heatsink effectively dissipates internal heat, ensuring optimal performance. In terms of connectivity, the camera supports fast transfer speeds with 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz Wi-Fi and 10 Gbps per second superspeed USB 3.2. The 3.68 megadot quad VGA OLED viewfinder with a 120 frames per second refresh rate provides a clear and immersive shooting experience. This bundle doesn't stop at the camera. It includes essential accessories like a Deco Gear photography backpack, condenser microphone, adjustable monopod stabilizer, Lexar 64GB SDHC memory card, and more. The Sony A7 IV kit is a comprehensive solution for creators seeking top-notch still and movie imaging. Dive into the world of limitless possibilities with this exceptional camera setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.